Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be setting up our Java environment. So firstly, we're gonna search for JDK into our Google. Click on the first website, Oracle. Then scroll down. You're gonna find this JDK Development Kit 22. The versions Linux, Mac. We're interested in Windows, so click on the first link. That's for the compressed archive. I would recommend downloading that. Then once it's done, go to your downloads. In your file explorer, you'll find that right there. Click on it, copy it, paste it in a separate folder, the one you will remember. Paste it there. We created the folder called create folder. Then extract this thing here. Since it's a compressed file, it contains a lot of files inside. We're going to see that later. Okay, it's done. Open it. You'll find files inside. Here they are. So open the bin folder. Then once you're there, you copy the path. Copy this path. Right click on your mouse, then click copy. Then go to your Windows search bar, search for environment variables, then click that. Then click on environment variables. Then here you're gonna click new under user variables, then type java _home, then paste that path right there. Click OK. Then go to system variables, click on path, then click new, then type %java _home / that should be a / yeah, bin, yeah. Click on new, paste that path again, then click OK. Then click OK again, then click OK again there, or close it, whatever. Then go on your Windows search bar, type cmd, open cmd. When you're here, type java -version. Then once you see this, just know you've successfully installed Java on your machine. Thanks for watching.